Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a question that has been energizing the automotive community: what actually happened to Chase Fillion from Gas Monkey Garage? Did he get fired? Or did he just vanish? We've explored the garage and beyond to bring you the most exciting new perspectives and insights into the story of Into Thin Air. This is not your typical story about gears and oil, so fasten your seatbelt. Chase Fillion, a young, talented technician, left a lasting impression at Gas Monkey Garage. He entered the company with excitement and a flair for innovation. Fillion gained notoriety fast for his hands. During his tenure at Gas Monkey, he worked on a number of noteworthy projects that demonstrated his ability to combine creativity and mechanical knowledge with a novel approach to automotive restoration. One of Fillion's most notable achievements was his work on classic car restoration, where he frequently gave these old beauties a contemporary makeover. His contributions extended beyond restoration. He also played a key role in personalizing automobiles to create one-of-a-kind works of art that were notable for both their functionality and appearance. Many people are curious as to why Chase Fillion quit Gas Monkey Garage, and there are a few theories as to why he would have done so. There are many who speculate that he may have had conflicts with the boss. The Richard Rawlings give him Rawlings' strong character. It's probable that Fillion and he didn't agree on anything. This kind of scenario is common in every job, where disagreements can cause the team to shift. Another thing to think about is the pressure of working in such a prominent garage. Being a part of a well-known establishment like Gas Monkey has its own set of difficulties. For someone as young as Fillion, managing these pressures on a daily basis could have been too much. There's the stress of meeting high standards, dealing with tight deadlines, and constantly being in the spotlight. Finally, the general atmosphere of the garage may have been a factor. Every workplace has a culture, and sometimes, no matter how talented you are, you may not fit into that culture. It's possible that Fillion discovered, after leaving Gas Monkey Garage, that the atmosphere wasn't the best fit for his growth both personally and professionally. Unlike many in his sector, Chase Fillion's career path took a more reserved turn, particularly on social media. Despite having a modest online profile, Fillion hasn't been very active online, and his social media sites don't reveal much about his current projects or his professional activities since his departure. Given his abilities and background, it's likely that Florian is still pursuing his passion for auto repair and mechanics. He may be working on side projects or quietly collaborating with other garages or mechanics. It's also possible that Florian is using this time to learn new skills or investigate other facets of auto repair and customization out of the spotlight. Given his talent and prior work, it's safe to assume that Fillion is still making waves in the auto mechanic industry, even though he's not as well known as he once was. Since leaving Gas Monkey Garage, however, his career moves have been largely speculation. The group welcomed a new member who brought with him a unique mix of abilities and experiences. The dynamics at Gas Monkey have changed as a result of this new mechanic, whose background brings a new viewpoint to the garage's projects. The team is now working on car restoration and customizations using a combination of the new member's ideas and the crew's experience. On social media and in online forums, Gas Monkey Garage supporters have been vocally discussing their opinions regarding Chase Fillion's leaving. A mixture of astonishment and interest is present. As we wrap up, remember that the story of Gas Monkey Garage and Chase continues to evolve. Stay tuned for more captivating car restoration stories. Many fans have expressed their admiration for Fillion's work and are eager to know what he's up to. Some have even come up with their own theories, ranging from Fillion starting his own venture to taking a break from the high-pressure environment. These discussions reflect the strong interest and attachment the fan community has towards the garage's team members.